Demonetization, money is legal. Money is called a legal tender. Whenever a particular kind of goods comes in, disappears from a legal tender, it is said that it does not come to a legal tender, then it is said that it is called demonetization. So first of all, I would like to tell you this is what demonetization means.
Demonetization will surely control overspending. We cannot say that it will stop corruption. It will bring transparency, because demonetization, as the notes have been demonetized, but 2,500 rupees new notes also have been introduced. So we cannot say it will it will bring transparency, or it will reduce corruption. But for sure, it will reduce overspending of money on the things which is not required. So my point
I
is
believe that demonetization's biggest win was improvement or increase in digital transactions.
Digital
And I
transaction-
do believe that digital transactions will bring transparency in the
until and unless there is no network coverage in all part of the country, we cannot ensure that it will bring transparency, or it will bring
some problem.
I would say demonetization will reduce the overspending for a very short period, as long as people do not have cash. But again, as
people
government
are
issue new
only-
notes, it will again people start spending money. So
I
it will
think
be
that
a very short
cashless transactions
duration.
will always be helpful in improving the convenience.
in the whole world, only Sweden has a cashless economy. So until and unless in India, a country where less than about 40% people don't use internet, so a concept of cashless economy is still not to be thought of. We have to think of thinking other ways to stop corruption, but surely it will reduce overspending of money.
But
overspending of money is a very dangerous issue.
cashless transactions, like
I
we
would-
have seen that the e-mapping has been introduced by SBI. So it is now government is not taking steps to improve the convenience of the people. That cashless transaction is all will help in improving the convenience.
So cashless economy is a good idea. Nevertheless, it is a very good idea, but in India, in practically, it is not possible in 5 or 10 years from now.
I agree with just number 23. It is rightly said by our honorable Congress President, that is Rahul Gandhi, that full form of Paytm, pay to Modi. And practically it has been implied that Paytm is a pay to Modi. Because
You are not making
because Paytm does not follow the KYC norms for 20,000 rupees transactions. Up to 20,000 rupees transaction, Paytm does not have to follow the KYC.
does not necessarily have to follow Paytm.
It will stop overspending of money as still.
No, I do believe that it's a very temporary option, overspending of money, because as soon as the economy moves more towards the cashless form, my earning is the same. Who's stopping me from buying a 1 lakh item from Amazon and from Flipkart? But cashless economy does promote transparency, as we all know that laws and laws of
Yes,
minimum
because like people is large amount of money in cash to someone, but now if he give to someone large amount of money, he can show his record and he can caught by the income tax department and so it is a good thing for also
Demonetization and cashless money will increase the transparency in the economy. When we will be cashless, the bribe that will decrease from the cashless economy.
Yes, just number and a good point, but I believe that corruption will be reduced, but we have asked you how will it affect the mostly. So I think that convenience is a best.
I don't think corruption will reduce, because a big note from 1,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees note also has been introduced. Now people are asking for 2,000 rupees instead of 1,000 rupees. So corruption has also been increased in a certain ways after introduction of
payment does make transparency more, because you have to maintain the records of, and you don't have to actually. The internet or the facilities that you are using will automatically generate a record.
But do you think in India internet is secure? No. Internet is still not secure. We have so many the Twitter accounts of those leaders like Rahul Gandhi are being hacked. The files from Pentagon or from CIA, WikiLeaks are leaking them.
But
Do you think India has a secure?
Even if it's not
secure internet connection?
but it is accountable. Say rupees of 500 crore just vanished from your account. You have rupees.
India is still using
Security is also very question.
Yeah.
Because banks
So who
are
says that the cash is very secure? You are carrying cash, someone will just
Adding
kidnap you or just
24 is
leave you in the way. Who says that cash is a safe form?
Adding to question number 24, I would like to give you another point that many of the steps are being reduced by government, like they are linking your Aadhaar card with your bank account to improve the security of your.
I'm not saying about security of the account. I'm saying the security of the internet. People are hacking. There are many hackers who can hack accounts.
Many hackers in America also. We think about the problem.
America is not a cashless society, my dear.
See, so we don't have a cashless society, but you say about the hackers. Then there are also hackers in America, and they are also not internet safe in America. But if we think about this problem, then we cannot develop. We have to.
If you say for developing, we will neglect or we will aside our problem,
No,
then it is not good. We also have to be able to follow.
Everything has pros and cons, but in case of India,
We also have to take care of
has more cons than pros because our 80% economy lies in cash and assets. So demonetization works in a country which has a very well infrastructure, a digital infrastructure. So,
Network coverage is all over the country.
There are many properties because there are many kinds of problems that comes into the corruption problem. That the corruption cannot be tackled only by demonetization. Like there are Benami properties, and my friend Chasnav has said that there most of the black money is held in the form of cash. They are not held in the form of digital money.
So I will correct you, but in India, only 14% of the black money is in the form of cash. Otherwise, it is in flowing properties, trading or investment. So I want to tell you, sir,
There are only Benami properties.
internet is not secure in our country. It is not provided in all over the part of the country. Corruption, black money is also not
these
reduced
are
by corruption has increased here. We have seen. So I think after getting these notes banned and getting new notes, people are spending a little bit on the things which is not required. So overspending has also been reduced by.
But we can certainly look at the improvement of digital payments from November 8.
Yes,
But how many of us were using digital payments? Or leave us aside, how many of our parents or people who live in small towns were using digital payments? So there was a significant improvement, and we have to look forward to it. And we have to improve it.
But
we have to
we have also
aspire
seen
for 92.
we have also seen internet not secure from them. Many Paytm account banks
Safety is a different issue. You can't say that keeping cash in hand is a safe option. Safety is a complete issue.
keeping money on internet is not also safe.
Of course, that is not also safe, but it is more safe than the cash hand in hand. Because you do have cyber sense or you
Cash in
have
hand is more secure than cash in internet.
When we discuss about convenience,
Of course, that is very convenient.
I would like to give a point. We are not talking about security of the cash or not. We are talking about the corruption.
They're talking about the demonetization in its original form. How will it affect?
I would like to give you an example. There are many foreign countries. You can see that the toll plazas are there. There are toll plazas because of the digital money. What they do, they on the lanes they are having in the toll plaza, the car passes. There is no jam because there is no cash transactions on the toll plaza. They have digital equipment in their car, which automatically the car passes through the toll, and the toll is all automatically deducted from the. So these are very.
Of course, these are the things to look up to. We are aspiring for an economy that works
Because
These are good intent. These are surely a very good intent, but India is still not that good in network coverages. People do not have access to internet. All I don't think
After the application of the BHIM app, how many of you in this room are really using that BHIM app? No one.
But people is automatically using Paytm, free charge, or
Paytm is really Paytm because you can easily buy a fake number and you can make the Paytm.
Okay, time